Are you looking to improve the video quality when recording on your iPhone? Let's see the steps. Before recording 4K videos, make sure your iPhone has enough storage space. Launch the camera app on your iPhone. Then, select the video section and tap on the resolution option at the top right corner. As you can see here, the recording option is selected as HD. So, tap on it to change from HD to 4K resolution. There is also the option to change the FPS from 24 to 30 and 60 FPS. Here are manual steps to enable 4K recording on your iPhone. To do so, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select the camera section. Tap on the Record Video option. Then, choose 4K at 24 FPS, 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Here, 24 FPS frame rate is good for films and narrative contents. 30 FPS is ideal for video content and online videos, while the 60 FPS is excellent for action shots and fast-paced screens, which record high-efficiency videos. Please note that 1080p HD at 120 FPS and 4K at 60 or higher FPS video will only play on macOS High Sierra 10.13 or later. Then, launch the camera app on your iPhone and select Video section to start recording 4K video. As you can see, recorded video details says Fusion Camera with 4K resolution. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.